guess this is my time to talk to everyone. I was hoping that I could help Marmy to MC the show, but I don't think I can do that because I'm the celebrant, right? Table 12? Okay. How about table 7? Okay, thank you so much, everyone. AT&T, my friends, my family, my cotillion dancers, my line dancers, my cousins, my family, my relatives, my sister-in-laws, everyone, my cameraman, Alfred. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay, this is Alfred, my cameraman, my DJ Roy, where are you? Okay, thank you so much, DJ Roy, and thank you for my husband, Danny. Thank you so much, Mari, Dana, Maria, Denise, Chloe, and Malcy. I love you guys. I'm so overwhelmed. I'm so happy that you're all here. I guess 95% that I invited came, right? And I miss my mom, my sisters. My sister Him is here. Thank you so much. The one who came from Sacramento,